This isn't your average pit stop. This is Safari Rally Kenya, where speed is only half the battle. When this car rolled in, it was wrecked. Front grille smashed, hood hanging, parts dangling. Most would have thrown in the towel. But the mechanics, they got straight to work. Tools out, panels off, no panic, just precision. Every second counted.
Ici, on va faire tout.
This wasn't a highlight reel, it was reality. Raw, dusty, high-pressure motorsport surgery. Under 40 minutes. And just like that, the beast was back on the road. Closing call. Safari Rally isn't just a race. It's survival. It's teamwork. It's Kenya.